Right here. I'll open this one. You open that one.
Yeah.
You open that one.
Oh, look how sexy these look. Oh, what does it say? Inspiring and creative artist who is the master of your craft. You transform people not just on the outside but the inside too. Without you, society.
Maybe the speaker's just there. You're screaming.
Oh, I forgot it's loud. Without you, society wouldn't be the same. So give yourself a pat on the back, stand up tall, and go and be the incredible craft person you are. Love, Kaine and follow me.
Yes.
Oh my god!
Let me read it. Remember who you are and what got you here. You are an artist. Your artistry waves beauty and confidence. You transform more than just hair.
Well done, babe. Mwah. Oh, Natalie. Oh my god. This moment is just killing you. They're all killing it. Alright, hold that side.
Oh, that's not. We just tied a knot. Oh, wait, there's another one.
Maybe just pull it out.
No.
Okay.
We'll make it. Oh, it's not a knot.